Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, Honorable Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta, distinguished guests, all protocols observed, ladies and gentlemen, abantu bambinto mbuyamure, mbuyamure naende. Your Excellency, it was a very good idea to decide that some of the national days be celebrated outside Nairobi. Last year, Mashujaas Day, we were in Mombasa. And today, we are in the great county of Kisii. And today, the Abagusi have had the opportunity to show us their culture, the people of Abagusi. It started with the prayers, and the first person to pray here prayed in Kisii. To me, that was very moving. Your Excellency, before the colonialists came here and drew the map which they drew in Berlin to create a country called Kenya, there were people living here who had culture, who had also religion, who also knew God. So God was not only European or Arab or Jew, God was also African. So today we are going back to our traditions, our roots, where we came from. Vile wahenga anasema ati mwachamila ni mtumwa. So we must be proud as a people of Kenya by respecting and developing our culture as a people. Mashujaas, Your Excellency, Kisii County has got a list of Mashujaas. You start with the hero, Otenyo Nyamantere. Otenyo Nyamantere, Your Excellency, was a hero who resisted colonial domination, taking Kisii cows out to go and slaughter and auction them. He was killed in cold blood here, Your Excellency. It is also here in Kisii where that hero lady, Mekatilili Wamenza, was brought and imprisoned here. And it's from here that she escaped and walked on her foot all the way back to the coast. There are many other heroes here. The late senior chief, Musa Nyandusi, Mrs. Lawrence Sagini, Mrs. Samuel Nyamweya. These are people who participated in the liberation struggle of our country. We had other heroes, George Moseti Anyona. There's another one who's called George Morara, who was not fully recognized. Your Excellency, I met the daughter of George Morara. She's called Sandy Morara. She's somewhere here in the crowd. And she told me that her father has been remembered in Mombasa with the street, Nairobi, also there's George Morara Street, Nakuru, Kisumu, but they don't have anything here in Kisii. So I'm challenging the governor to name a street or something here in Kisii in honor of George Morara. Great athletes, Your Excellency. When we were growing up, Nyandika Mayoro was the great athlete here. Areria Nentia. Your Excellency, Nyandika Mayoro, Baratonjero Teach, and Kibet Boyd, and Paulo Diambu participated in the Olympics in Melbourne in 1956. Areria Nentia won the Commonwealth gold medal in 880 yards. Then the first Kenyan to win an Olympic gold medal, Naftali Temu, came from here. The team of Kenyans who won the first gold medal in 4x400 meters relay, Robert Ouko, Charles Asati, Ezekiel Nyamau, and then Paul sang. And that list is long and long. Daniel Mwanza. And then, we have the great lady, Helen Obiri. From here. So, Your Excellency, this is a land of heroes in our country who need to be remembered and need to be supported. Finally, Your Excellency, it was here in this stadium last year where we came after we had had one day of a conference with all the leaders from Nyanza. Here, the leaders here, the Luos were here, the Kisiis, and the Kurias. They all met here. Abagusi talked here about the issues here, agriculture, the soapstone industry, the mineral industry, Your Excellency. They all talked about it. The Luos talked about fishing, about the cane, and about the cotton industries in the region. And the Koreans also brought here issues that I feel very strongly about, including having some kind of full recognition as a people in Migori County. So, Your Excellency, the BBI reggae was launched here in Kisii Stadium. And we said that we must change direction. For 56 years, we have followed one direction, but with not very many results. So we need to look at what else is there which is missing. Project Kenya can move forward as envisioned by the founding fathers of our nation. United, God should bless us. We should dwell in unity, peace and liberty, and plenty should be found within our borders. From here, Your Excellency, the BBI train moved to Kakamega Ingo, then to Mombasa, then to Kitui, then to Narok, then to Garissa, then to Meru. It was only when we were supposed to be going to Nakuru, shetani ikanguka kutoka huko juu. Na reggae ikaenda kwa half time. Lakini sasa half time imekwisha, wachezaji wameshanyoroshwa. Wameshapata mafunzo, tena wamepata massaging. Sasa wanarudi kwa kiwanja, Your Excellency. Wewe mwenyewe ndio utasema hii njia tunataka kufuata sasa kwa kutoka hapa. Because nobody can stop reggae. Asante sana.